Drop trader here, 10th of July 2025. I just took a short. It's 9:13. I took a short. We did swap the liquidity up here. Should go down somewhere here, to be honest. It's 3:13. We do have liquidity lower, not a lot, but we do have it. Especially on ES. So I'm thinking we could get there. $700 delta on negative. It's gonna be something nice. It's only 5 points so far. Come on, dump it. 800 delta, I like that. Shit. He bought it now. Oh, that's not good. New candle's gonna open in a minute. Being 50 up, now minus 50. Okay, well this is 1 minute. First 1 minute on the 5-minute candle. Let's see if they're gonna continue.
Order filled.
Ugh. God damn it. That's not the start I was looking into. You can see a little bit of buying coming in. I'll have to cut that now. Buyer stepped in. I don't want to be with this trade at the open, obviously. They have liquidity up to 57. There's liquidity at 52. So we're not gonna make money on this. What we can do is just to get rid of that loss. 52, 51, somewhere here.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Didn't work. Minus 82 was a opening trade. I really thought this gonna continue and hit this and will continue lower, but they didn't. That's okay. So let's wait for the open. We have ES here. ES still has got that level to hit. ES has got liquidity at 315 waiting on bookmap and also at 296. 296. Yeah. Oh, we'll see which way they're gonna go. It looks like they want to push.
Brazil's Haddad says a 50% tariff is unsustainable. I do not think it will remain in place. Chile's mining minister Williams says once we have precise information about US copper tariffs, we will analyze it.
Yeah. That was a further leg up here.
Hello, everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. Yeah.
Come on, Donald, stop it. Okay, so that was a good cut. Looks like he wants to go high as well.
Chile's mining minister Williams says more copper shipments have been going to the US for some time now.
Got 10 points target. Oh, yeah. We had news today, unemployment claims 227k versus 236, so in line with expectation, better than, actually it's a bit. look bullish. I'm thinking to trade ES, as ES is closer, hasn't sold yet into this 312. So ES is here. It's just we got 5 more minutes till open, so anything can happen here at the open. Let's wait for the open. I think this is a feasible target, but obviously the issue is here that we have SMT with Nasdaq. Nasdaq took that and I don't like that because they already took that high. And ES didn't. So okay, trying to hit higher. 28 past, so we got 1 more minute. Still wants to go higher, but I'm gonna wait. Okay, Nasdaq is about to take the high, overnight high right now. Almost there.
1 minute now until we get the market on open imbalance.
$45 seconds. Nasdaq didn't. Oh, they have actually sold into this high. Yeah, they did. It's a good place to short as well, but we're just in front of the open, and once we open we can just pump into this 16 very easily.
Ten seconds.
I don't see big candles.
Market on open imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 32 million. Nasdaq 100 sell side 12 million.
Let's see.
Dow 30 sell side 12 million. Mag 7 sell side 6 million.
Nasdaq is already up there. I'm gonna
Order
try
filled.
yes for the for the push into this. Nasdaq was pumping. Let's see if they're gonna continue high or not. Problem. Problem. Go SMT again with Nasdaq. That's not a good thing. Okay, shit is falling. Interesting. Nasdaq falling while the US is holding. It's very interesting. Okay, Nasdaq should reverse now. Yeah. Come on, yes. Don't you want to sell it up there? This is so strange. Why is this sitting and not moving? Okay, take them up now. Let's go. And Nasdaq's buying. Nasdaq is coming back into the range. It's just ES not moving at all. getting accepted in Nasdaq. Come on, yes, let's go up. You want to sell it up there, right? Don't you? God damn it. It takes so much time to switch the time. Switch the time.
E-Diplomatic Service presents 10 options for diplomatic actions against Israel over indications of human rights breaches.
So unlucky with this entry, honestly. Oh, I thought we were gonna continue, and then now they have different. They had different idea. Basically, about the top.
Order
Get
filled.
the fuck out of this thing. Why is this not updating? We're going down from what I see. Really bad start. Got fast internet. This top step is just, come on. I can't trade. No active position. We'll switch to MNQ actually. Okay, so it's actually getting back up, right? Yeah, looks like it. $45. Well, let's try
Order
this one
filled.
more time. What has to go? Well,
Order
get the
filled.
fuck out from that thing, honestly, now. No. I don't know if I want to trade. Yes. 500 down the start. Okay, looks like he's trying. I'm gonna
Order
try one more
filled.
time here now for the push up here. $45 past. Still not doing it. Not gonna touch this. Looks like we're getting somewhere. Delta 1343, I like that.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
add into that. Come on, let's go. Fucking hell. Come on, yes, you got that liquidity up there. You need to push higher into that liquidity up there to 10 o'clock. God damn it. Nasdaq still falling? That's really bad now. Nasdaq falling is holding. This is crazy. $51 past. Limit sell 10. Actually, no way. Nasdaq going even lower now. God damn it. Maybe now. Once they took the liquidity. Yeah, Nasdaq took a lot of liquidity now with this drop. Basically, whole London, everything is taken at this point. Don't know why this shit is not changing. I don't want to refresh anything. Come on, let's go. Time to pump now. Fucking hell, I can't even. What is this? Fuck. close anything, can't do anything with this. Show me something finally. So Nasdaq dropped to London low. US is holding like a boss. They have absorbed everything. Now Nasdaq should start to pick up a little bit. I think it's gonna go up there finally. So why the shit is not switching? I don't know. $310 is waiting now. It's looking better now. Yeah, it's fucking bearish. So, Nasdaq still dumping. That's a fucking bad trade, honestly. Cut this.
Order filled.
Yeah, well, there you go, mate. You fucked up everything today. Kurwa mać. This shit is not even... Why this fucking thing is not working? kurwa, mogłeś dzisiaj wyciągnąć pieniądze, nie? Dzisiaj mogłeś wyciągnąć pieniądze, kurwa. Topstep.
So heads up, Feds Muslim currently speaking at an OMFIF event. So he was scheduled to speak at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Just appears he's now speaking live. If you want to watch live, it's a registration only event. We've got the registration link pinned to his entry in the calendar.
Cost me my...
Feds Muslim says the economy is in a good place at or near full employment. Muslim says there is some upside risks to inflation. Feds Muslim says monetary policy is modestly restrictive. Fed's Muslim says financial conditions are supportive for growth. Fed's Muslim says we had positive inflation trends for the last 3 months. The forecast is for inflation to increase on tariffs. Again, Fed's Muslim there says there have been some positive trends on inflation in the recent months, but the outlook is for it to increase going forward due to
Last time.
US stocks moving lower here. S&P 500 down 0.2%, the Nasdaq down 0.5%. Fed's Muslim says the effective tariff rate may settle in the teens or 20s. Fed's Muslim says it is too soon to tell if tariffs will have a one-off or more persistent impact on inflation.
Kurwa.
Fed's Muslim says high profit margins give some room to absorb tariffs.
I don't know, it's this fucking thing going on, man.
Fed's Muslim says inflation expectations have been anchored. And Muslim adds that the dollar weakening could add to inflation.
Order
I'll try fucking 10. Yeah, let's see if we can get continuation. $1,000, that's good.
Fed's Muslim says tariffs could take until next year to work through. That's Muslim there saying it could be later this year
Order
or early
filled.
next year for the impact of tariffs to be fully felt.
Yeah, looks
Order
like
filled.
this is
Order
the one.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Muslim says it's critical for the Fed to keep long-term inflation expectations anchored. Fed's Muslim says long-term inflation expectations are anchored. Muslim said these anchored expectations are what allows the Fed to be responsive to changes in the labour market. So a China minister and the ex-US Treasury Secretary discuss AI and others.
Should push. We should just get a fast push. gonna sell here. 25. Keep pumping now. Let's go.
Ed Muslim says labour supply seems to be declining. So labour supply seems to be declining, which may be due to slowed immigration or other factors. Hiring trends have been softer than usual. China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi says China's economy shows resilience and potential. Ed Muslim says that firms are less reluctant to lay off employees. Again, Muslim saying, I'm not hearing from companies about layoffs, and firms will likely face margin pressures in the future.
Squeeze.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I don't want to do that, but
Muslim adds there are reasons to be mindful of downside
Still
risks to the
gonna
labour
go.
market, including drop in hours worked and compensation.
okay, so at least we got that 600 back.
Muslim
Actually,
adds that
wanted to put my
I'm watching
stop-loss
labour
break
market
even,
downside
so-
risks closely. Policy is well positioned to respond to labour weakness. So again, monetary policy is well
Fucking
positioned to respond to
platform's
labour
not
market
working.
weakness as long as expectations are anchored.
If I switch now, time frame, it's not gonna work. I want to see 5 here.
Muslim says, I don't think that the US is in a stagflationary environment. Inflation and unemployment would have to be much higher.
So we sold into this 15. Liquidity is at 310. So so they should get there.
So just a reminder, about 10 minutes time we get the EIA natural gas change. Forecast is for a build of 62 BCF, prior was a build of 55 BCF.
So why I got into this, because Nasdaq, you can't see, Nasdaq took that yesterday's low. ES is really trying to sell into this high. And we got that reversal. Once I saw this, I was like, okay, we can load up. Because usually when this happens,
Order filled.
we're fucking in now. Good. And we should get that push to 110. It's not gonna be an easy ride, but
Fed's Muslim says financial conditions are currently supportive of economic activity.
Order filled.
we should pump up. Let's just be one tick in front of everybody. 110. Nasdaq is as well trying to come back. I don't know, I think we might actually hold this a little bit higher.
Muslim says that I'm not observing a tremendous amount of restricting this due to monetary policy.
I would like to switch to fucking 5 and I can't do it because if I switch to 5 this thing's not gonna work again. So I'll have to watch this somewhere else. God damn it. Are you going up or what? Yeah, on the 5 minute. This 5 minute needs to finish up. So I got another 2 minutes on the 5 minute candle. Last 1 minute and 48 seconds on that. It's 23 past 23:25. We could go up towards 10:30.
Muslim says that the banking system is well capitalized and liquid.
Not doing it. 1 minute. I dip a little bit lower. Well, definitely there's a lot of buying going on here. A lot of absorption, so now they want to sell it and they want to sell it. This is IB. That's an IB. That's the IB low. And they're gonna try to push into this IB high. Sell it up there. And this 5 minutes ending up pretty bearish. So what are we doing now?
5 minutes ago to the EI natural gas change data. Forecast is for a build of
Waiting.
62 BCF. Prior was a build of 55 BCF. Fed's Muslim says non-bank financial risks need to be well monitored.
Doesn't look too good, to be honest. Unless we're gonna reverse now. 25 past. God damn it. Okay. Last 2 minutes, last 3 minutes on the 5-minute candle. Let's see if they're going to cancel that. Because they haven't sold yet, really. In my opinion. $28 past.
Fed's Muslim says US fiscal deficits are on an unsustainable path.
Looks like we could attack the top now. What do we do now? Are we closing? Are we holding? Okay, that 5 minutes looking pretty good now. Just hammer. You don't see it because I'm
1 minute
looking
right
at
now.
a different chart.
Okay, Trump's just said something on
Looks
Truth
like
social media,
hammer.
just touting the markets.
Are you gonna push in the last?
So he's saying that
46
Nvidia is up
seconds
47%
higher.
since Trump tariffs.
They could.
And the Fed should rapidly lower to reflect this. So again, saying that the country is now back, a great credit. The Fed should rapidly lower rate to reflect this strength. Just to give context then of the full Truth Social post. So Trump says tech stocks, industrial stocks, and Nasdaq hit all-time record highs. Crypto through the roof. It's about 10 seconds ago. Nvidia is up 47% since Trump tariffs. USA is taking
Close
hundreds
above
of
my
billions of dollars
price.
in tariffs. Country is now back. Great credit. Fed should rapidly lower rate to reflect this strength.
And we have 10:30.
Build of 53 BCF. Build
Hammer,
of
we
53
have
BCF
hammer
compared to the expected
on a
build of
5 minute.
62 BCF.
That means we could continue higher now.
Seeing some move to a little bit of move towards the upside
Good.
on natural gas there.
Good,
Seeing
good, good.
a smaller than expected build of 53 BCF compared to the expected build of 62
Come on.
BCF. I said a little bit of
Squeeze
move towards the upside on natural gas.
Squeeze now. Towards this 310. Let's go. Yeah.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Order filled.
You've seen it many times. You know they're gonna go to this 308 and then gonna push into 310. That's what they're gonna do, because this is where the liquidity is. This Nasdaq is just sitting down there, but the ES needs to sell.
It's keeping an eye on natural gas futures extending gains
Come
of
on,
about
yes.
3.4% after the EIA reports a smaller
go.
than expected storage build. Eds Muslim says, I hope the next framework is more robust to normal economic circumstances whilst acknowledging of zero lower bound.
Let's go. Attack on this 310. We're gonna sell this earlier. So we're gonna do that. Oh, we could actually, wait a second. We could actually sell 10. We'll sell 10 here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pump it, pump it, pump, 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 pump it. Good. Yeah. Little dip. Someone wants to sell at 308. So we got some competition. Got some competition. So what do we do? Let's see how they're gonna handle that. Nasdaq has got a lot of space to go higher. So I'm like, maybe I should just take it easy. Just take it easy. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. If we go lower, I'm gonna buy 15 here. $307. I don't know. Yeah, they're pumping through that. Or are you pumping through this or not? Let's go. Competition.
Order filled.
Salt free.
Order filled.
Salt free. We are going for it.
Order filled.
Fed's Muslim says, so far it appears that reserves remain abundant. There will be signals if reserves become more scarce.
Lovely.
Order filled.
Down to 170. Fucking hell, man. Good. It's all because of that.
Trump on Truth Social says, too late Denise to
Fine,
break credit of
fine,
USA.
fine,
We are
fine,
now
fine.
again the number one credit in the world. The
We'll
Fed
probably
should be
push, but I had to
reflective of
close
this.
it
It
'cause
should be at the top of the list. Lower the
I'm
rate.
just like, nah. I want to see if this shit is changing now. Can I change this into 5? Now it works.
Muslim says, if the Fed could not pay interest on reserves, it could be disruptive. Muslim says, not paying interest on reserves would require more active open market operations to control liquidity.
Well, what can we see? That's a fucking
Muslim
nightmare,
adds
honestly.
that paying interest on reserves allows the Fed to inject liquidity
Because you can't
if
see
required without sacrificing
charts.
fiscal control.
You can't switch. You can't make sure, you can't see 2 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever, I want to switch this, right? I want to fucking see 2 now. Give me 2. There you go. And I see how it looks. I want to see how it looks on 5. Fine. I want to have Nasdaq here, right? I want to see what Nasdaq is doing at the same time. I want to switch this stuff. And that shit stopped working. But look what happened. Nasdaq just was dumping, and he managed to just drop a little bit and come back up. So anyway, they're still going, right? That's okay. I'll go it. Oh, takes time again. Look at this. I had to push, finally. I had to push into this because they needed to sell. This whole thing drops the manipulation. And we sold somewhere here. What can you do? When you're down like this, you have to take what you can, honestly. I wonder what TopstepX gonna do with that, because I lost a lot of money on the way down. I couldn't fucking see anything. I know. Someone might say, "Oh, you could have closed." I didn't want to close because I want to see it. Look what happened. I was closing somewhere here because the shit didn't work. Look what happened. And then I had to buy higher. That's the problem, mate. That's the problem. All right, okay. Enough. So we are on M&Q now, right? Yes, pumping. M&Q is about to go, because what Nasdaq has done right now. Look at that. They tapped into this fair value gap. They dipped in, and I think they're gonna go. I think they're gonna go as well. I mean, they did sell into that, but ES still hasn't pushed, and Nasdaq could go higher on that breakout. What time is it? 43. Let's wait for the pullback. NQ has got 60 waiting. Sorry, 80 waiting.
Order
That's
filled.
right, it's 18.
Order filled.
Fed's Muslim says dollar swap lines for foreign central banks help with financial stability for US markets.
Order filled.
Come on, let's go. Take that 80. "40 seconds to push. Even go higher once we take it. There's also 90. So I'm gonna take something off here at 18. ES is still pumping towards that yesterday's high. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Do it, do it, do it, do it, and do it. Do it. Okay, he has just hit that. Come on, Nasdaq, don't you want it? Push into this 80. God damn it.
Order filled.
Back to 70.
Order filled. Order
I have to be
filled.
out because the 70 was waiting here. We'll see if we get a continuation. That was the pullback, I guess. See if we get more.
Order
Right, try
filled.
here. Push towards view up.
JP Morgan
Come on, let's
CEO
go.
Diamond says Europe is
Let's go.
challenged and the world is challenged.
47, that's a 15-minute at 80. Yeah, come on. Let's see if we're gonna get that. 90 is waiting. Perhaps 23,000. Really? I think he just wants to pull back. Nasdaq already did that pullback, so
Order filled.
what now?
Order
Let's try
filled.
one more time here.
The S&P 500
Got this
turns
90,
positive.
so
Last up, spot 11%. So in 10 minutes' time now, at the top of the hour, we are expecting a text release from Bank of England's Breeden.
There's Muslim says that I'm not hearing from firms that there are supply chain disruptions.
990 is
As a reminder,
waiting.
with Bank of England's Breeden, she's delivering a speech as part of the annual Chapman Barrigan Lecture Series. The speech is titled Weathering the Storm. So again, the speech is titled Weathering the Storm, Stability in a Changing Climate. The text of the speech is going to be released at the top of the hour.
Order filled.
Okay, we're going towards this 90 now.
Fed's Muslim says so far the tariff impact on prices appear to be mild, though it is early in the process.
Push. Yes, it's pushing very nicely as well. Look at it. I'm thinking to actually stay in this trade a bit longer. Well, let's see what's gonna happen at 90.
Order filled.
Gonna add because I see a lot of nice price action right now. ES is pumping. It's a good pump. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's get to that 90.
Order filled.
Fed's Muslim says that I expect a tariff impact to begin to show up in data this summer, and it may be able to form a picture of the full impact later in the year.
23,000 is actually there. Waiting.
So to specify, Muslim says that I expect tariffs to hit inflation beginning in June data.
Looks like we are heading towards that. Plus, if we make a measuring move, that's where we're going. We could go very fast now. 54. If we jump above that view up, yes, it's pushing. If we jump above the view up, 95 towards 95. Then yes, that could be another pullback. $54.
JP Morgan's Diamond says, I hate to use the word taco trade because I
Alright,
think
just
Order
Trump is
filled.
likely
Yeah.
to chicken out after Liberation Day. Fed's Muslim says stablecoins are an
It's just
interesting
preparing
innovation
for
in payments.
assault on
It is
Europe.
good there will be a regulatory framework.
It's trying to grab some liquidity. But Nasdaq can see ES is just going up. They can see that, and they're like, no. We already took liquidity down there. There's no point to go lower.
Fed's Muslim says stablecoins
Hopefully they're just
become
gonna
an
go now.
important part of payments.
Come on. Attack the top 55, so it's 11 o'clock, we could just get a pump up here, and then boom. Just 2 minutes, show me 5 minutes, 5 minutes. $23,000 waiting. Could get down there, obviously. Oh, okay, let's
Order
go.
filled.
There's one more. Nice sweep. And now we should finish up there. Hopefully. God damn it. You're not going to do it? Jesus.
Fed's Muslim says that nations that have more independent
Fucking
central
Nasdaq.
banks deliver better inflation and employment outcomes.
What a deep drop. And now 3 minutes and up there. I got 2 more minutes. And I'll have to cut it if it doesn't work. $23,000 waiting. Yeah, it's coming back up. They're buying it. Let me look at some 4 hour. What do we see on 4 hour? Yes, took this. That was a 4 hour. Not looking too good. Not looking too good.
Order filled.
But this is Nasdaq.
It's about less than 2 minutes till we're expecting a text release from Bank of England's Breeden.
It can snap
She's
back
due
up
to be
there.
speaking later on at 1:45 p.m. Eastern Time. One minute to go now to the text release from Bank of England's Breeden.
Up here. And more. $11 in 1 minute.
Ten seconds. So heads up here with the US Treasury then that auction $82 billion in 3-month bills and $73 billion in 6-month bills. So with the 6-month bills that look to be sold on July 14th,
Auction,
settled
fucking
on
hell.
July 17th, and the 3-month bills same day for the 6-month. So the text has been released for Breeden. I'm just working my way through it. That speech has been posted out on feed for you to read through.
23,000 still
Once again,
down.
it is titled Weathering the Storm, Stability in a Changing Climate.
So now we could do that. That's one, and that's the second part. That's also how you can measure it.
So just reading it.
So a lot of shorts
just
now
Breeden
around
showing
here.
some real world
I don't know if
examples
we
of
take
how
it.
risks
No,
to
yeah, this
price
is what I
and
want to see.
stability from climate
Yes,
change
still
are
pumping
emerging
high.
now and how they might grow going forward.
Come on, Nasdaq, let's go. Just drive it up there and then continue higher. I'm
Order
just gonna
filled.
add into that. Fuck it. Fuck it. $11.30 should go. Got full, so you can close 3 here. We'll see. I mean, I don't see any liquidity on the way up. Just 23,000 and above 23,012. So let's just hold this, man. Let's hold this. Come on, yes. Keep going up. That's how we're looking on bookmap. So we are targeting this 23,000. They already been down here. They took the liquidity. So I assume time is to sell. We have still a little bit of pressure to the downside, but shit. Come on. Come on, yes, it's pumping. Let's go.
JP Morgan CEO Diamond said I would price in a 40 to
Let's go, let's go,
50%
let's go.
chance of higher US interest rates.
Where's ES? ES. Because ES is just getting into. That's the problem. ES is getting into quite big resistance. So what do we
Diamond
do?
says tariffs, in my view, are inflationary. It won't come
That's the
all.
problem.
It won't come in all at once. So again, tariffs, in
We
my
should
view,
go
are
for it.
inflationary. It won't come in all
Let's
at
not
once.
push for that thing. Yeah, Nasdaq needs to push for this 76 somehow. ES needs to push for this 20. Let's see if they can do it now. Problem.
So Diamond says
We have a little bit of
tariffs
time, but
immigration policy and
this is
deficits
becoming a
are
problem.
inflationary.
Because I'm loaded up. I should reduce a little bit. I think I will reduce a little bit if we push 75. Still waiting there.
Order filled.
Gonna add here and then we're gonna sell above.
JP Morgan CEO Diamond says real data on US economy is totally impossible to read.
If ES goes through this 20, then Nasdaq's gonna continue higher as well. It does look like they want to go up. Nasdaq is just waiting and waiting and for accumulating more. It's 11 o'clock already. Ten past. Wow, what a clearance. Okay,
Order filled.
now it has to go up. Now they got everything. Now they have everything. All the longs. Let's go. Don't you drop on me now. Don't you drop on me now. Yeah, looking good. Yeah. $23,000 waiting. Longs collected.
Bank of England's Breeden says climate risks are starting to be priced into assets.
ES still has got that liquidity waiting there, so let's go. Attack. Ready to attack. Yeah. Come on. Oh, for fuck's sake. I kind of fucking failed that this is not doing what it's supposed to do. I should have fucking closed it, but there's still a chance that we're gonna reverse now. Jesus. This fucking Nasdaq, honestly. Are you kidding me? Just keep buying now. Yeah.
bet bids for 4-week bills total $259.5 million.
Where's the 15? 15 is in here, okay. Can I switch to 15? No, I better not switch. Here is 77. 77. It's this one. This is 15 and there's another 15. We're gonna close something here. So 10. Fuck it, 5. Even so, 5. Because they want to go up. Yeah. It's 23,000. God damn it, go there. There you go. Now you can just keep pumping. Keep buying everything now. Let's go. "13 minutes of buying now into 11:30. Squeeze, motherfucker. Good. Keep going. Keep going. You took all the stops from everybody. You have to sell them some more, right? I shouldn't even sell at 76 to be honest, but I'm just gonna reduce by 5. Once we push through this 86, we're gonna fucking take it up there to view up. Just don't fucking get down now. Just 2 minutes. Well, give me 5 minutes. I wanna see 5 minutes. What 5 minutes doing? 5 minutes. Come on, man. Shit. Come on, let's go. 14 seconds on 5 minutes. ES has got more. 22, 23, 25, so Nasdaq should get up there. Someone is selling here. 75. Shit. What are we doing? Oh, for fuck's sake. Really? Oh, that was the first minute on a 5-minute candle. Bit of manipulation. Let's go, let's attack this top now. Come on, squeeze. Squeeze. Fucking hell. 75 now. This knocking on the door and knocking and knocking. So fucking difficult. Let's go. Good.
JP Morgan
Order
CEO
filled.
David says AI could be everywhere and it will disrupt jobs and companies.
God damn it.
Order filled.
There you go. She's going. She's going.
Order filled.
let's hit that 23,000. Come on. I'm just gonna do it like that.
Order filled.
Just take it one. All the rest. Yes, it's pumping as well. Lovely.
Order
Just
filled.
took one into this high. Let's see if we pop above the view up. Lovely. View up conquered. Boom.
Order filled.
Covered. We're holding 4 now. 23,000 is the target. And even higher.
Order
Fuck
filled.
it, take it. 268 plus. Plus, motherfucker. Well, what can I say? I'm a good fucking trader, honestly. Not being able to see screens, taking trades, getting down to 1,000 and then back up to plus $268. It's not a fucking joke. Just joking, mate. Been trading 3 of them. And yeah, I had to take it because I just needed some sort of positivity in from my trading today. Honestly, some sort of positivity. And initially I was thinking to sell here, but let's drop. I saw that. So I knew we're gonna pump. I was close today. Yeah, I'm interested what TopstepX gonna do with that, because if they're gonna cancel a trades where they've been taken during this blackout situation, they're gonna cancel that. Then they might cancel that, $600 that I had on the downside. That means they're gonna add
So the US looking to sell
$6,000 into my trade. So it's something that could happen. Yeah, we can go even over there now. We do have liquidity. Look what they did. It's just jumping on the here. That was a good idea. We took some trades and then we sold, but we kept the rest. Kept adding. You have to withstand this kind of pushes. And if you look at the ES, what the ES was doing during the time, nothing. That's the difference between ES and Nasdaq. Nasdaq is just so violent. In both ways, when it goes down and then when it pushes up. You can also look at this like that, like a box kind of situation. So anything below, you can measure above. There's lots of ways. But from down to up, that's something I don't want to fuck up today anymore. I mean, there's still continuation here. today is my payout day. I will be able to withdraw half of the money. So that's gonna be 1,400. $1,442, which is great. We made some money on this new account, and we made some money on that the account that I did trade yesterday with my leader, and then I was trading at the end of the day, and I took some losses. That's why it's the difference between these two. Yeah, we're still pumping, we're still continuing. So we'll see, man, we'll see. But the time is over.
US blocks Jupiter Surrey transaction with Federal Register notice. The US citing China and national security risks in Jupiter Surrey deal. 4-week bill auction data coming through. The high yield of 4.235% and a bid to cover of 3.08. The US selling $80 billion of 4-week bills and awarding 90.97% of bids at high.
Oh yeah, it's 11:30, so we're done here pretty much. Did we push to it? We did push to this 23,000. Oh, we're closing somewhere here. Boys and girls, I know you have heard a lot of swear words, also in Polish. I have 2 nationalities. But oh fuck, I'm so tempted to get that. Should I? Someone is buying here. I think I'm gonna skip that. I think I will skip it. Let's see if this works actually right now. I get a 5-minute candle. Nasdaq, it was much better to trade Nasdaq, but I couldn't even switch to Nasdaq. Like once they hit that thing, started to go down. That was beautiful. But you know what? I'm not gonna complain. That's what counts at the end of the day. I took some good trades later. I think here we took a good trades. Switch to 5. Yeah, we were taking good trades somewhere here. We sold into that. Then this came down. We switched to Nasdaq. Look what ES has done. ES was very strong from the open. That's the open here. The open is here. ES was very strong from the open. Didn't want to drop. That's why I was kind of. I mean, the first trade was shit. I'm not gonna say it. It was just shit. We basically bought that instead of chasing the market, FOMOing into. Oh, let's go for this because I saw.
UK's PM Starmer, France's President Macron.
Why? Because I saw that.
We've posted out the live video for that.
It's
It's from
really-
Sky News, so once it's done, just close and be done with it.
It's 9:30. Thank you. Interesting. Yeah, but I couldn't even see it. I think. I don't know, man. This wasn't loaded. My strategy requires me to be to see both of them. Yeah, that was a good buy. That was a good buy. So you can just grind. Nasdaq is a bit jealous, I guess. He has just hit that yesterday. I think it is gonna pump into all-time highs today. Okay, what we're gonna do no, we're not gonna do anything. We're gonna lock this account. Well, that's for sure. Because I'm going to take money. That means I'm not gonna be trading it until I get paid. So this is going to be just to make sure everything is clear. Okay, and that's ready for payout. $1,140. And that means that we have these two combines. Okay. And we can trade them maybe in the afternoon, but not now. So it's 11:30 and my statistics are saying always that I lose money after 11:30. But I can make money till 11:30. Even if I start like that, like today. Good. So I'm done. We'll come back at 2 p.m. You witnessed Trap Trader live trading real money on Express account and two combining at the same time. Take care and see you tomorrow.